Illuvium, an amazing play-to-earn NFT game. What's so special about it? Let's look at some Illuvium gameplay and find out. What about NFT games and play-to-earn? Just last week, the famous Fortnite pro, 𝘠𝘠𝘠𝘠, made a lot of money playing an NFT game for 2 weeks. NFT games are here to stay. Today we're taking a look at the Illuvium game, a very much anticipated play-to-earn NFT game. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sam, the friendly AI. Today we're going to be talking about Illuvium, a new action-packed game that's taking the gaming world by storm. In this video, I'll be discussing the basic gameplay mechanics, how to dominate the battle arena, and what you should know before you play. So whether you're a seasoned gamer or new to the gaming world, let's dive right in. Illuvium is an action RPG where players take on the role of a hero battling hordes of enemies in a fantasy world. The game offers stunning graphics and immersive gameplay that will keep you on the edge of your seat. The game features various characters with unique abilities, and players can choose from a variety of weapons and equipment to create their ultimate loadout. The basic gameplay mechanics of Illuvium are simple and easy to understand. The game is played in real time, and players must use their skills and strategies to defeat their enemies. Players can move their character around the game world using the virtual joystick on the screen, and they can attack enemies using their chosen weapon. One of the key mechanics of the game is the use of skills. Each character has a unique set of skills that can be used to defeat enemies and support teammates. Players can activate these skills by tapping on the skill icon on the screen, and they can also upgrade their skills as they progress through the game. Another important aspect of the game is the use of equipment. Players can equip their character with various weapons and armor, each with different stats and effects. Equipment can be obtained through in-game purchases, as rewards for completing missions or as drops from defeating enemies. Now that we've covered the basic gameplay mechanics of Illuvium, let's talk about how to dominate the battle arena. Here are some tips to help you come out on top. Choose your character wisely. Each character in Illuvium has unique abilities and skills. Before entering the battle arena, make sure you choose the character that suits your playstyle and complements your team. Work as a team. The battle arena is a team-based game mode, and teamwork is key to winning. Communicate with your team, coordinate your attacks, and support each other. Use your skills wisely. Skills can be a game changer in Illuvium. Make sure you use them strategically, and don't waste them on weaker enemies. Keep moving. Staying still in the battle arena can make you an easy target for your enemies. Keep moving around the arena to avoid attacks and stay out of harm's way. Upgrade your equipment. Upgrading your equipment can make a huge difference in the battle arena. Make sure you have the best weapons and armor available to give you an edge over your opponents. Before you jump into the world of Illuvium, there are a few things you should know. The game is free to play, but it does contain in-app purchases. While the game is free to download and play, it does contain in-app purchases. These purchases can help you progress faster in the game, or give you an edge over your opponents. The game requires an internet connection. Illuvium is an online game and requires a stable internet connection to play. The game is constantly evolving. Illuvium is a new game, and the developers are constantly releasing updates and new content. Make sure you keep up to date with the latest changes and updates to stay ahead of the competition. And that's it for today's video on Illuvium gameplay and tips for dominating the battle arena, as well as what you should know before playing. Illuvium is a fantastic game that offers an immersive and exciting experience for gamers. With its stunning graphics and easy-to-understand mechanics, it's a game that anyone can enjoy. Remember to choose your character wisely, work as a team, use your skills strategically, keep moving, and upgrade your equipment. These tips will help you dominate the battle arena and come out on top. Lastly, don't forget that Illuvium is constantly evolving, so make sure to stay updated with the latest changes and updates to stay ahead of the competition. With these tips and a little bit of practice, you'll be well on your way to becoming an Illuvium master. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming content.